YouTube, what's up? So today I have got a 3-in-1 foldable wireless travel charger from ZEERA. Now shout out to ZEERA for sending me out this unit to unbox, and they also sent me a couple of extra goodies. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, I've got the ZEERA. It is the 3-in-1 foldable wireless travel charger with MagSafe. It's got MagSafe. So let's look around the box here, and the ZEERA branding with the little magnet ring like logo looking thingy. Yeah, pretty slick. ZEERAwireless.com. And around the back here, see the 3-in-1 foldable travel wireless charger, 15 watts max on the AirPods pad, and I believe it's 2.5 to 3 watts. I think 2.5 watts on the watch, and up to 15. So the little MagSafe logo thing should be happening when we put this on the charger. So it goes from 5 to 15 watts. So let's pop it open. What else we got here? Oh, input USB Type-C, and it weighs 128 grams. Is that pretty light? It's lighter than me. Let's go ahead. Come on with it. There we go. There's that. What do we got in the box here? USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Some instructions. No brick, no charging brick in the box. You'll need to at least get a 20 watt adapter, maybe even a 30 watt, or I don't know, they make 25 watt, but 20 watt is plenty. You'll be fine. I'll be fine. You'll be fine. Although I have a 30 watt adapter to plug it into, so there's that. And oh, ooh, nice magnets. Very nice magnets. So, what do we have here? MagSafe for your iPhone 12s and 13s. Now, it is Qi charging, so it should charge other phones. It just may not, grip on there. Gotta have the MagSafe. Gotta love the MagSafe. And then you have your proprietary Apple Watch. Should be fine with all series. And then here we have the charger for your AirPods. So let's go ahead and get this thing hooked on up. Okay, we've got it plugged in. Gives me a couple of indicator lights. So let's see. What do we want to do? We'll do it like so. iPhone 13. And it does the animation. Very nice. I've got my AirPods Pros charging, and I have, I didn't flip up the little thingy. I didn't flip the thingy. Flipping up the thingy. And okay, you go back. And it didn't do the animation that time. I don't have my sound for the animation on because I don't like, there it goes. I don't like the haptics and stuff like that, so yeah. But it does the ring, 15 watts, and charging. They're so dingy. I'm so ready for some new AirPods Pros. And my watch. And there it goes. And it gives a little indicator light. Okay, indicator lights. Blue is that it was charging, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Does it give a light when this one's charging? Nope. So it's just for your little wings on the side to let you know when they're charging. So, and then I've also got, what do I got here? These are wireless, the regular AirPods. But you got to make sure you got the wireless charging case. So, because it should wirelessly charge whatever. Let's try the Soundcores. Yep. Charging. Pixel 6. Pixel 6 doesn't like me. There it goes, it's charging. And it also should charge, although I don't know about do the MagSafe thing, but it can charge over here too. So there you go, it's Qi charge. So, you know, you should be able to, you know, as long as your Qi is good, then you're in. Now, the cool thing about this travel charger is, one, those magnets. I mean, come on, that's, you know, I travel, it's a little sandwich. I travel with, you know, like a 3-in-1 whole station charger. This, I'm really glad I got this, because this is very, very cool. But the very, very cool part, you can fold it like a little tent here, and then you can put your watch here and charge, and then you can put your phone in landscape, and boom, and it'll charge, and you can watch content on it, you know, however you want to do it. What would really be cool, of course, one, the more I think about it, the one that would add more thickness to it, which wouldn't be too bad. But if there was a way to have another, you know, have the regular charging pad, because that's on the outside for your AirPods. But man, if you could slide your AirPods in there like so at night, that would be a game changer. And the bonus stuff, they sent me a nice braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Let's see how well that works. Yep, everything still works. Still works good. Still works awesome. Now, you want to know something too? You want to know another trick? And if you have like a braided solo loop or just a loop, you know, if you want to charge with the puck down, just flip it. Flip her inside out, and she'll go on like that. Last but not least, they sent me dun, 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 dun. MagSafe case for my phone. A clear case. It's a nice case. It's got, you know, the covered buttons, and the only thing that's really exposed is your silent toggle, and, you know, you got your camera bump, pops right in there. Got you a little bit of a good lip here. The camera bump, it's above, but just barely. And the lips on the side, those are pretty good. Those are pretty good and raised, so you can set her on down. Hey, I wonder, let's see. Like magic. So if you're interested in the 3-in-1 travel charger or the MagSafe case or any of the ZEERA products, I'm going to leave their link down in the description. So if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video? And hey, a sub to the channel, that would be great. Peace and love, y'all.